Hey guys, good afternoon. So I'm just making this video for people outside of Puerto Rico that either invest in Shell or in Exxon Mobil, because these kind of news mostly don't go public like globally. So if you are invested in Exxon Mobil, I just wanted to let you guys know that we are having an opening of around 177 gas stations in Puerto Rico. And also, if you don't know, Puerto Rico is a big market for companies like this. So yeah, this is a very good news for whoever owns Exxon Mobil shares. And apparently, I'm not sure if this is true. Some of the shells are going to change into Exxon Mobils. Like the gas stations that are already a Shell, they're just gonna like change branding, and apparently Exxon Mobil is gonna take over. And yeah, so if you are a shareholder, you should be excited because this is a big market. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for listening, and wish you guys some luck.